Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best SAD lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Carex Daylight Classic Plus Sunlight Therapy Lamp. Do you get depressed and get extremely tired during winter seasons? If so, a SAD lamp can become a helping hand during cold times, and the Carex Therapy Lamp is one of the best models up there. One of the biggest advantages of this model is that it is fitted with a very big screen. Its dimensions are 15.5 by 13.5, so you will be able to feel the most powerful light coming from the lamp. You can also place it between you and your friends to share the therapy. The glare-free screen is fitted with multiple LED lamps. The maximum light intensity is 10,000 lux, but you can adjust it the way you prefer since there are 2 levels of brightness. The overall size of this natural light lamp is 28.75 by 15.75 x 13. It may not be the smallest tabletop model you can find, plus the heavy weight makes it less portable. But you don't have to move it around too often. Just place it in a remote corner of your table, and, thanks to the height and screen angle, you will be able to focus the light on you in any position. Thanks to the Bright Zone technology, you don't need to sit too close to the lamp. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Verilux HappyLight full-size UV-free therapy lamp. If winters in your area are long and gloomy, we recommend purchasing this light therapy lamp from Verilux to make your days brighter and improve your mood. The Verilux HappyLight full-size lamp will be of great help if you struggle with SAD. The device has a light intensity of 10,000 lux and provides you with a full spectrum of natural light. Spend about half an hour in the morning and in the evening in front of this lamp and you will notice the first changes in your mood in just a couple of days. For your convenience, this therapy box has an adjustable brightness control. Thanks to the built-in flicker elimination technology, it turns on immediately and works smoothly. The lamp is completed with 2 interchangeable lenses. The Comfort Optics preset radiates a bluish light, while the High Energy lens radiates warm light. You can set the lens you like depending on your mood, or even change them every day, thanks to their easy setup. At number 3, we have the Verilux HappyLight Compact Personal UV-Free LED Portable Therapy Light. This SAD lamp can only offer 5,000 lux of max brightness, so you will need to sit in front of it for a bit longer. But you won't have to worry that the extended time of the procedure might hurt your eyes, since this little happy light works wonders filtering harmful UV radiation. To receive the right amount of light, it is recommended to keep the therapy box at a distance of about 8 to 10 inches. This way, you won't feel much of a difference between this lamp and its 10,000 lux analogs. What is really great about this model from Verilux is its compact size and small weight. It is suitable for depression treatment both at home and in the office. Unlike some light therapy lamps, this model doesn't overheat, so you can keep it in smaller spaces. At number 2, we have the Theralite Aura Bright 10,000 Lux Therapy Lamp. To get rid of moodiness and that constant feeling of anxiety during cold periods of the year, try using the Theralite Aura Therapy Lamp. It may not become a full-on replacement for the sun and provide you enough vitamins, but it still will positively affect your well-being and sleep quality. The appliance has a slightly different design than most SAD lights. This sun lamp has a high stand that makes it taller and more ergonomic and allows you to place it on the desk. The base is stable and has an adjustable angle. Also, such a decision allowed the manufacturer to add a bigger screen with more LEDs in it. The general size of the lamp is 22 inches by 12 inches by 5. The brightness of this model goes up to 10,000 lux. There are 4 brightness levels that have a color temperature of 3000 K, so you can adjust the lamp according to your needs. We also like that you can get a 1-year warranty on the LED panel. And finally, at number 1, we have the Circadian Optics Lumos 2.0 Light Therapy Desk Lamp. If you're used to having severe anxiety during the winter time, and the depression doesn't allow you to live the way you want to live, the Circadian Optics Lumos will help you get back on your feet. The first interesting thing about this model is definitely the design. The lamp has somewhat of an unusual construction. It is completed with an ergonomic stand and 3 hinges. They allow you to easily tilt or turn the lamp in almost any way imaginable to enjoy its light in the most comfortable position. With its ergonomic body, the device will fit into any corner of your desk or bedside table. This kind of light therapy will help you deal with seasonal affective disorder and affect your biological clock. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.